Hi everybody, this is Pat of Pat's Home Craft. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a really great video for you full of great ideas for last minute Christmas gifts. Just in case if you've forgotten a gift or you have an unexpected guest drop in for some festivities. These are all items I've picked up at Dollar General and Dollar Tree. All of these items do not include the cost of the tissue paper, the ribbon, the tags, and the cellophane bags. First, I'm going to get my container, which is just a little galvanized bucket with the little rope handles. And this is really cute. And you can also use either a plastic bucket or you can use like one of these boxes that I used from Dollar General. And as you can see, this had a really cute front to it, but then I turned it around. This is an arrangement that I made for another video, and it's in my All About Winter series. But this is an adorable box to also use for gift giving, but I've decided to use this little bucket. And so what I'm going to first do is I'm going to line it with some tissue paper, and because it's Christmas I'm going to use this red tissue paper. I purchased this at Dollar General and I think it's really adorable with this little skate and the buffalo check, the white and black buffalo check. Looks very Farmhouse. So I'm going to place this in, but first I'm going to lay in here some more padding just to give it a little bit more height and a little bit more padding. And then I'm also going to place in here 2 of these adorable mugs that match my canister. And I want to pad these up just a little bit so they don't clink and break against this canister. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to set it straight this way, because if I do, once I put it in there, you're not going to see this design. So I'm going to, actually I think I'm going to use a little bit more padding to give it a little bit more height. And I'm going to turn it on its side, and I will show you why in a moment. So I'm going to take this other, and guys, this is just wrapping paper. This is just packing paper, not wrapping paper, but packing paper that from stores. I just save it. I always save it and I reuse it. And so I'm going to pad that up so they don't hit each other. See that? And as you can see, you can really see this one here. And now you can see this. I'm going to tilt it maybe just a little bit. I'll tilt it just a little bit like so. So you can see it. Here you can actually see the skate. And then I've also purchased this really cute coaster set from Dollar General with the little truck and the white and black buffalo check. And so I'm just going to place that right in here. And I know it has the price tag, but it's inside and I don't want to cut this open, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I hope that's not too tacky. But I'm going to place that in, and now you can see all of this, and I'm making sure to keep the handles to the sides and some of the paper towards the back. And now I'm going to take one of these gift basket bags that I got at Dollar General also. And I'm going to just place it in here. There were 2 for $1, I believe, at Dollar General. And so I'm just going to pull this up. And then I'm just going to use this little silver wire tie. It's not the greatest, but it will hold. Just kind of pulling it tight. So I'm going to take some of my buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree. The items in this gift basket cost approximately $7 because I already had the galvanized tin at home. It's a really super cute last minute gift. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate your consideration to subscribing. Also, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, especially those that are coming up in my All About Winter series, be sure to hit that notification bell and select the word all. Here's a great gift idea. You can take these really cute plastic containers from Dollar General. I love these because they have really good rubber seal on it and will keep goodies fresh. And these are great for giving away. And not only does Dollar General have these, you can buy these at Walmart, or there's different kinds, and there's also, I believe, some at Dollar Tree. And you can take your packaged cookies. It's a little bit like cheating, but if it's a last minute gift, you just do what you have to do. So you just take your cookies and fill up your containers with your cookies. You can top it with some really cute ribbon. This is from Walmart. I'm going to use some of this double-sided tape to help me with this. Just put a little bit on the top there. Fold this in half. Now I've already kind of pre-measured to see how much I'll need. And then I'll just place it on there, and that should keep it in place so that I can flip it over, tie it. You don't have to do a knot. And then bring it back around, and see, it stayed in place. It didn't slide around all over the place. And then simply tie it again. And if you want to really keep it in place, just place another little piece of double stick tape. I'm going to place it crossways so it will stick to the actual container also, in case if it doesn't totally stick onto the material, the fabric of the ribbon. And I'm just going to tie a simple bow. Cut these little ends off. And then you could actually use this card that came with your little container, but I wanted to make it a little more personal. I always have these on hand. I believe I purchased these at Walmart in a little pack. The items with this gift cost $4. One thing I found out about these little containers is that they have an indentation in the bottom, and so they can stack very easily. And you can give several of these away. If I were to do a stacking of 3 of them, what I would do is I would make sure to use some tape to tape them together, because you wouldn't want a terrible accident of them coming apart. And I am using my double-sided stick tape. And then I'm going to place a small amount on the top also. And I'm making sure to put the tape on one side and exactly as close as I can get it exactly on the opposite side. I will take this ribbon and I will run it and adhere it to this double stick tape, and also on this side. I'm just going to tie a knot here, and now I'm going to come back with some more going this way. And I would go ahead and place some more double stick tape along both sides and create a little knot here. And then with this original one, now I can make a bow. The items in this gift cost $12. This next gift will be a basket full of items from Dollar Tree. First, I will take this storage container and fill it with tissue paper. Next, I will take this really pretty print of pampas grass. I will next add in a body wash, along with a couple of hand lotions. I will also include this pocket calendar. This beautiful candle will top it all off. If you notice, I tried to keep the color scheme of all the items in a soft, neutral, and warm tone after bagging it up and adding a tag. I'm going to use this gold ribbon to create a double bow. I just simply create a bow and make sure that there is plenty of ribbon left, and then I will create a second set of loops to complete the double bow look. The items in this gift basket cost $6. This gift basket is a lovely last-minute Christmas gift. My last gift basket is really not a basket at all. It's a mixing bowl, and all of these items are from Dollar Tree. I'm adding a flour sifter, and I found these really cute towels and also a matching potholder set. I'm throwing in a silicone spatula and a package of cupcake liners. The theme of this gift basket is very obviously Farmhouse. After bagging it up and adding some buffalo check ribbon to create a bow, I'm going to add in an ornament from Dollar General to complete the look and to be also an additional gift. This gift basket has some wonderful practical items and is also super adorable with a farmhouse theme. The items in this gift basket cost $7, including the ornament. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up like. For some great winter decor ideas, please check out my All About Winter playlist series, which I will link in the description box. Always remember to look around you for the beauty in your life. It's right there waiting for you to see it. Until the next video, have a super holiday.